Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, beauty, hauls, etc. So in today's video I'm going to share my top 5 lip glosses for this season. As we all know that lip glosses are something which is on rage and people love applying lip glosses. So in this video I'm going to give you options and मैं बहुत ही सस्ते options आपको दूंगी. Even I am also going to give you some high-end options, but whatever you feel like you can choose. And I'm so sorry, I was just swatching something, so this is the aftermath or residue of the same. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's start this video with some very interesting glosses. So the first brand which I'm going to talk about is Rev Cosmetics, and that's how their glosses looks like. I have ordered two glosses from the lip glosses collection. So one is Toffee and the other one is Clear. Now these are very cute. Can you see the packaging of both? Like this looks like some ice cream ka dabba. So this is super cute. That's how it looks. And this is obviously clear gloss, so it is just going to give your lips a tint. Like I'm just going to show you. So this is the lipstick which I have applied, and if you apply this gloss, this is going to give your lips a shine, and this is going to, you know, make your lips very voluptuous and very juicy at the same time. So that's why I like this. And the next one which I have is Toffee, and this is in the Toffee jar. How cute is the packaging? I mean, I really love the packaging, and let me just swatch it for you all so that you guys can see. And that's how it looks like, Toffee. And again, doesn't have a lot of color, looks very pigmented here, but it is not that pigmented. And if I talk about the Clear, so there is a little difference. Can you see? So this is Toffee, this is Clear. So this is Rev Cosmetics. I think they cost around 250 rupees or 220 rupees, not sure. You can check their website. I'm going to leave the website link in the like in the comment section, so make sure to check them. Next, talking about, this is again one of my favorite indie brands which make lipsticks, and you would be amazed to know that these both, like Rev Cosmetics, I don't remember the name of the owner, but the next, that is Ticey Cosmetics. This is by Tanisha. So she is such, like, she is 19 or 20 years old and she is doing fab job. So I have got so many lipsticks from her when she was having this offer going on. So right now I'm just showing you these. So again, very classy and cute packaging. And this is their bestseller gloss. I think this is in the shade Caramel. So I'm just going to swatch Caramel for you. And her glosses are so pigmented. This is Caramel, you can see. Looks so pretty. Like this is going to give your lips, you know, an oomph factor. And this is again in red shade. I mean, I got her Christmas collection and then only I received these. This is the red shade. She has a lot many shades, so you can, you know, grab whatever you feel like. This is the Clear one, and to my surprise, she also had these plumper. Now again, obviously these are not like your regular you know, high-end plumper. No, this is very cute. This has peppermint oil. It just makes your lips look fuller. It's a very cheap alternative to your high-end lip glosses or lip injections. So that is that. Now after these, I'm going to talk about a brand, like a gloss which I have been using non-stop and it is about to get over. This is by Kiko Milano, and guys, literally it is over. It doesn't have a lot of it. I can see now I have to buy it. Now this is their 3D Hydra lip gloss, and this is in the shade 08 Rosewood. Now all of these glosses, they are not very sticky. They are not at all sticky. So do not you know, worry if you think that they are going to stick to your lips. It's not like that. And this is how the Kiko Milano one looks like. This has this peachy undertone, looks again very pretty on your lips. And when you apply this, now it just gives your lips a very fuller effect. And especially this shade is again very cute, very nice. And yeah, I literally love them. Okay, so now the last thing is lip plumpers, and I have two. These both are high end. So the very first one is this. This is the Elf Cosmetic. This is not high end, but this is super duper overpriced in India. So that's how it is. Now it gives your lips a plumping effect, as well as it just makes your lips fuller. Also gives a shine, and it also has a little bit of color, so I really love it, because you know, this is a cheaper alternative to your lip injection. That's how it looks like. Does have a shift to it, does have a color to it. Currently I'm applying this on my lips. Again, it is giving my lips a little bit of fuller effect. Again, it is very super cool, I think. Yeah, and it's not very expensive. Now the last one is Too Faced lip injection. This is so expensive, dude, so expensive, but the effect which it has now, it has this, it looks very nice, I think. And again, I have the travel size. That's how it looks like. Now I think this is the best plumper I have used till now, because it certainly works on my lips. Okay, whatever plumper you use, it is not going to give you long lasting effect, because after some time you are just going to be normal in your natural lips. But for the time being, it is very cute, very good, I think. And these are all the, you know, lip glosses which I have swatched for you. Hope you guys have enjoyed this, and let me know if you have used any of them. I'm going to link everything in the bottom bar. Let me know what you guys want to watch next. Would be more than happy to do that. Yeah, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.